Hi everybody, it's Sheila. Welcome back to the Crocheters. Today what we're going to do is announce the winner for the collaboration between myself and Seta, and we're going to chat about that. So if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. So a few weeks ago I announced that Seta and I participated in a collaboration together where we picked 4 items out of this crochet magazine and went away, made the object, and are now coming back. So I'll share with you the 4 items that were on the potential. The first one was this Hampshire shawl. And just a full disclosure, I already went through the list over there and pulled the names and all of that, but I just wanted to show you the items first here. Number 2 was this frozen forest tunic. Number 3 is the little t-shirt. I forget this, white sand tee, that's what it's called. And number 4 was another tunic. And as I shared before, I like all 4 of these. And so it was actually a hard choice. And I will share also that I started on one. Seta and I have been talking about it back and forth. She did the same as I did. She started on one object, and then she changed her mind and went to another one. And I started on one object, and I changed my mind and went to another object. And the reason I did was because the weather changed. And so that actually stopped me from making one item because the weather changed, so it moved me into making something else. So just FYI, I will share with you right now that the type of yarn that I used the Karen cotton ripple cakes, and this is what I have left out of 2 skeins. This is my Sanket skein that I used. This is in the color Copper Rose, and this has a total of 491 yards per skein. So, and I also used about a half a skein of some white cotton. And this is just the Premier cotton. So you guys are like, wait a minute, I don't remember anything being 2 colors. Well, I made it 2 colors, okay? Because I added a little interest. So in total, I used right around 1,000 yards for what I made, okay? So I went and grabbed the comments a second ago and pulled those off and put them in my little baggie here. So those are ready to go. And there was 62 people who guessed the right answer. So I bet you're wondering what I made, right? Well, let me go change my shirt so you can see what I made. I'll be right back. I am back. I've changed my shirt and this is what I made. I actually made the white sands tee. I started out with the frozen forest tunic, then the weather changed, it got warmer, and so I switched to the tee. So let me show you a little bit about it. First, like as I shared, I used that the cotton ripple cakes in this rose color, and it's a variegated yarn. And to add interest with the white, I actually did a little bit of mosaic on the sleeves. As you can see here, I went over to Fiberfox Studios and looked at some of Courtney's videos, and so I added a little of that on the sleeve and added a little ribbing around the waist area. Let me move my chair here. And then also around the bottom as well. And it's I made it so it was more, because I think the original pattern was like boxy and I wanted it to fit tighter. So yeah, it's a little bit tight, but that's kind of what I was after. And so that is what it looks like. It fits me very well. I am quite happy with it. It is a little, it's not hot, but it's heavy because it's cotton, but very breathable. It's comfortable. I like it. The pattern was not hard to do. Started at the top, and the way it wanted us to do the pattern was to do the whole front panel and then do the whole back panel and then hook them together, and I didn't like that idea because I wanted the colors to match. And so I did the yoke down to about here, and then the back down to about the same area to get past these V-stitches right here. And then I attached it together and then went round and round and round. So that way all of my colors would match. And that was one way to do the variegated. And then also, like I said, for this is just a simple mosaic. I can also, now I know why Courtney likes the mosaic, because that's really fun to do. So that's that. So that's what I made. And like I said, there were several folks in there that picked the right one. And now let's pick the winner. Okay, and I'll mix up my bag. I said I already had it in here, ready to go. And like I do before, I will show you first before I see it. And for the person who's the winner, go ahead. My email is in the description box. And so email me, what's today? Saturday, probably by Monday night. But I won't be able to get it out till at least midweek. Okay, so let's do this. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. I'm going to show it to you. Hopefully it's upright. Who do we have? Is that upright? Linda Arwood. There we go. Linda Arwood. You are the winner. And so you guessed the right top. And you are the winner. So Linda, congratulations on winning the collaboration between myself and Seta. So contact me. You get in the description box, find my email, let me know it's you. Leave a comment below so that way I can tie your comment to the email that you send me. And I will send you out your winnings. FYI, everybody, thanks everybody for participating. And FYI, make sure you go over to Seta's, and because she's going to be announcing her winner at the same time I'm doing this one, she's announcing too. So congrats, and thanks everybody for participating, and thanks for all of the wonderful suggestions. And hey Lee, by the way, I just sent you your pattern that you were asking me about. Okay? So everybody have a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.